Welcome back. I'm Coach Tina with a tutorial on how to do the quarter get-up. It is 25% of the full Turkish get-up. So whether using a dumbbell or kettlebell is not as relevant, but traditionally this is done with a kettlebell. And it's because of how the kettlebell sits, it forces your shoulder to practice being more stable. So it starts off in a fetal position. So I'm going to start with this in my right hand. My right hand is underneath, threaded through the handle of the kettlebell. The left hand goes on top. Everything you do with the kettlebell has to be with a safety protocol so that when you're not thinking, you're just used to doing the same thing over and over again. And that's why how you do it is very important. So I've got my right hand underneath the handle, left hand on top, two hands clasped together. You're going to roll over onto your back with the weight close to your chest. Both my feet are planted. From here, push the weight towards the ceiling with two hands. And this is where we start separating the two hands and the two legs. The right hand and right leg stay as is. My left leg and left hand extend to the side like a starfish shape. If your hand and if your arm and leg are too narrow, you're not going to be able to get up. The weight is going to pull you down. So extend the left arm and the left leg so that you feel a stretch in that left leg, the inner thigh. From here, I'm going to gently roll to the left, pushing into my right foot until I get to the left elbow. And then from here, you're going to pause for a second because you always want to be in a secure position before you go to the next step. And I'm going to now push onto my left hand. So I'm in this tall sitting position. This right foot is very active and my eye is on the weight. From here, we're going to go back down. Don't shift anything. Go back to your elbow using control in your abs. And then using your abs coming all the way down to your back. And to finish the movement, we're going to place two hands together, pull it down towards your chest, and roll back to the original fetal position. And that is the quarter get-up. Let me know if you have any more questions. You can always post down below, and I'll see you next time.